Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. There are so many reasons why you need a SEINXON in your wallet.
First off, it blocks credit card thieves, and it's waterproof, durable, and super thin, and slides into my wallet just perfectly. I'm excited that it syncs with the Apple Find My Things app. Also, the battery is pretty huge. It lasts a whopping 6 months on the full charge, even if you do misplace your wallet as much as I do. I love that it's easy to charge and the connection is green. It just clicks on and you're good to go. My favorite part is that it doesn't matter where I leave my wallet, the locator sound is loud and the logo lights up, and I can even find it in the dark. How cool is that? A great treasure this locator is.
So what's in your wallet? Is it protected by SEINXON? Then you need one of these for your family, for your friends. Everything that can be lost can be found when you have a SEINXON. I love it, I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.